Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Switching from the classic Outlook desktop app to the new Outlook for Windows is a quick process that Microsoft has made very easy for most users. Look at the top right corner of your current Outlook window. You should see a toggle switch labeled Try the New Outlook. Click this toggle to start the migration process immediately. A window will pop up asking for your permission to switch. Click the button to relaunch the app. Your computer will close the old version and open the new interface within a few seconds. If you do not see the toggle, check the Microsoft Store on your computer. Search for Outlook and click the Get or Install button. This will download the latest version directly to your device. Once the new app opens, it will import your settings and email accounts automatically from the classic version. You might need to sign in to your accounts again for security reasons. If you decide you do not like the new look, you can always switch back. Simply find the same toggle in the top right corner and turn it off. Outlook will ask for feedback and then revert to the classic version. The new Outlook is designed to be faster and more like the web version. It works best on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Make sure your operating system is updated to the latest version to ensure everything runs smoothly. This change gives you access to better integration with other Microsoft 365 apps and a cleaner user interface. Following these steps ensures your emails and calendar stay organized while you explore modern features.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.